storm of smokable cocaine swept across America, the term crack baby was born. It was said that the children of addicted mothers would never amount to much. But now a chance encounter led Mike Shue to realize nothing could be farther from the truth.
Never in my life have I picked up a hitchhiker. But then I saw Montay Henson. Montay may not look like a college student, but he travels like one. Most mornings he takes the 51. But if late, he hitchhikes, and that's how I met him.
Hey, Montay. Morning.
On a 3-mile journey of inspiration that began in 1993.
Both of my parents were addicted to drugs, and I was born with crack in my system, 3 months premature.
You called yourself a crack baby?
Pretty much.
He has 14 brothers and sisters.
None of us share the same mother and father.
Parents shape a child, and they did so here.
To have wisdom, you have to be able to learn from other people's mistakes. So I tried to just look at my parents and look at my father, especially, who spent a lot of time incarcerated.
Street drugs ended up killing his father, but early on, his grandma saved him. She's a janitor. Overnight, she cleans this high-rise downtown.
As soon as I got with my grandmother, she instilled, learning is fun in me, and I really did have fun learning growing up. So,
after 2 years of good grades here at Morgan State, he had to drop out. Tuition was just too expensive. Then, while working a warehouse job, he saw an ad. An ad for the Year Up training program. 6 months technical, then a 6-month internship, a year investment resulting in a job.
Montay is doing exceptional. He is a natural leader.
250,000 people have seen my post about Montay. Jasmine was one of them.
You would be less than if you didn't have or feel something about his story.
A story he hopes to continue by using artificial intelligence to help others.
I really want to help make AI for robots that help people with mental issues.
After that first time I gave Montay a ride to class, he looked me in the eye, shook my hand, and said thank you. Then he pulled out $6. He wanted to pay me for the ride. No way. I should have paid him. I'm Mike Shue, WJZ Eyewitness News. Back to you on TV Hill.
Absolutely. Wow. Montay still lives with his grandmother and is on track to graduate early next year. We have to follow this young man.
Yes, we do. What an inspiration he is for everybody.
What a great story, Mike.